Yes, hello Gary, this is Ray. This is one of your video tutorials. In this video we're going to go over how to add and edit pages on your website. Um, you'll notice that your website is made up of the home page and also made up of subpages. And you can edit all of these areas using your back-end visual editor. So let's first go over how to edit a page of your website. Now what you want to do is you want to go into your back panel, log in using the credentials that I've already emailed you. I'm not going to repeat those here. And once you log in, you're going to be taken to what's called your dashboard. And this dashboard basically is the area that you're able to manage all the content on your website on. So if we look at this page right here, this is the About Us page. All right, you can see I've already set this page up. This is the About Us page. And let's say that you want to edit this page. Let's say there's something in this page that you want to change. Very simple. You simply go to All Pages, and your website is based on a WordPress backend CMS, content management system. The reason I choose WordPress is because it gives you a very easy Microsoft Office style visual editor. It makes it very easy for you to edit your website. So all you do is you find the page you want to edit. Right here, About Expert Local Movers. This is the page we want to edit. So what you do is you simply click on Edit. Quick Edit is pretty useless. Trash obviously deletes the page. Here's a nice trick. When you log into your back panel, open your website up in a separate window, and you'll notice that when you surf your website, as long as you're logged in somewhere else, as long as you're logged into your back panel, which we are here, you can browse your website, and every page that you're on, you can click on Edit Page, and you'll be taken straight to the editor directly from your website. So you don't always have to use this area here. Simply log into your back panel and then open your website and surf the pages, and if you see a page you want to edit, just click on Edit. So look, this is the About Local Movers page. This is the visual editor that you use to edit your website. You can also go to that page from here, like I was going over. You can click on Edit, and that'll take you to the page as well. So that's two ways you can reach this area. You can log in and then surf your website, or you can just log in and click Edit, and you'll be on this area. Now, you want to make sure you always have 2 rows of buttons here. If you only have one, like we do here, you want to click this icon. Second row will drop down. I am not going to go over what every one of these icons does. I'm not going to do that. That would take forever. I'm just going to go over what you need to know to edit your website. If you want to surf around the visual editor and toy with these other icons, you're more than welcome to. Just move your mouse over each one. It'll tell you what it does. But I'm just going to go over what you need to know to edit the website. The rest is up for you to learn as you use the back panel. You can Google WordPress, and you'll come up with tons of tutorials and articles on how on all the features of this back panel. But I'm just going to go over what you need to know to edit the website. That's the most important. Now you'll notice that this visual editor is very much like Microsoft Office. For example, if you want to bold something, highlight it, click bold. You've bolded. If you want to underline, click the underline icon. You can change the color of text. You can make text larger. You can add text. So you can see, it's very easy. It's really literally as simple, so simple that a 10-year-old could do it. If you want to edit a picture, click on it. You can delete it or you can edit it. You can grab these little pointers here and you can make the picture smaller. You can make the picture larger. You can go here And you can put a border around a picture. You can put spacing between the picture and the text, like 5 pixels of spacing if you feel that the picture is too close to the text. Tons of stuff. Very easy. See what we did just here? Added a border. You can insert pictures from your computer if you want as well. So let's delete this. Let's actually copy. I had this linked up somewhere. So let's copy the link so I don't lose it. Let's delete this so I can show you how to insert pictures into your website. Let's say you want to reinsert that picture that we just deleted. All you do is go to Upload Insert. Select the file from your computer, the graphic that you want to insert into your page, which was the bottom banner. You can see how simple it is. And then you can go here and you can say you want the picture aligned to the left or centered. The link that the picture links to, if you want the picture to link to somewhere when clicked on, you put that here, you type it in here. Full size of, I want this picture to display full size, so I click full size. If you want it to be displayed medium size, you can click that. I want this picture, I want the full size to be used, and then insert into post. And voila, there you have it. I want a border around the picture, so I'm going to click that, and I'm going to put a border around it. And then click Update, and there you go. Now if we update this page, all the changes take effect that we just did. So now, if we click on View Page, you'll see that the changes we just did have taken effect, as you can see here. See, I added this, I put a border around this picture, and here you go. So let's again click on Edit Page to be taken back to the editor. Really cool feature, because once you're logged into the back panel, just go to your website, surf your website, and any page you want to edit, just click on Edit Page. Let's revert this back to the way it was. Let's remove that. Let's remove that. Let's make this back normal. Let's take this out. Let's make this all the way it was. I want to remove the border from this picture. I don't want the border around this picture. So I'll I'll put 0. And then we click Update. And once you click Update, the changes take effect. So if we view the page again, you'll see that it's all back to the way it was. Now, you're going to see these options here. I suggest that you leave these alone. There is no need for you to edit anything in this area and below, or any of these options. I've already set up your template structure and everything, so 99% of the time you'll leave these as they are. No parent and default. I will in another video show you what these do, but just know that 99% of the time those will always be as is, default. Now let's say you want to add a page. Really it's a no-brainer. It's pretty obvious what you do to add a page. And you just click on Add New, put the page title, you enter your content. So you enter your content here. All right. And you click on Publish. And that's how you add a page. And then once you've added a page, you can go and look at it. And this is your page. Of course, it's pretty bare, but you get the idea. You can fill in the content here. Just think of this. This works exactly like Microsoft Word. You've sent me tons of documents in Word. So this is a no-brainer for you. You're pretty tech savvy, so this is really easy. I mean, you edit a page by going to all pages and clicking on the page you want to edit, and then you add a page by clicking Add New. And just remember, as long as you're logged in somewhere else, if you're browsing the website, you can just go to any page. For example, your mission. Let's say you're browsing the website and you see something you don't like here. Just click on Edit Page and you can edit it. Very, very simple. So now you know, thanks to this video, how to edit and add pages to your website. This is the end of this video.